Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to reply to a post on Threads. Maybe you want to join the conversation or share your thoughts on a post. So today I'm going to show you how to reply to a post on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to your home feed. Now, navigate to the post where you want to reply. You can do this by scrolling to your home feed or by visiting the profile of the user who made the post. Once you have found the post, simply tap on this message icon located below the post. This will open up the comment section for that post. In this text field, you can now type in your reply, share your thoughts, add a comment, or ask a question related to the post. Once you have composed your reply, tap on this post option. After that, you now have successfully replied to a post on Threads. Your comment will now be visible to the post creator and other users who can view the post. There you go. If you wanted to know how to reply to a post on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to reply to a post on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.